Welcome back everyone. So today in this video we are going to actually solve a problem. Okay. So on the basis of lambda function, I mean just requiring out here to use the lambda function. Let's just edit the comment a bit. Okay, we are going to use the lambda function and we need to just check out whether the number okay, like just get we are just going to get the square of a number, and another problem we are going to just check the number is even or not, right? So for that I am going to create out a variable. Let's say I'm going to create out a square variable, okay, which is going to just have the integer n, okay, such that, so we need to describe out the lambda. So we are going to use the lambda n here such that n would be producted by n, and simply let's just edit it. And if I'm just going to call out my print function, within that I'm going to just give my variable inside which I'm going to give my, let's say, 5 square I want. I'll receive with 25. Okay. So this is how we are going to get the square. In case suppose I want to check out that the number is even or not, I'm going to get the answer in true or false form. Okay. So here we are going to use the lambda function with x such that if x percentage with 2 is equals to 0, right? So this is what beauty of lambda function. We don't need to write some extra stuff here. Simply x percentage would be equals to 0, then it is going to give us the answer in true or false. And if I'll just simply write here my variable and I'll pass the value here, let's say 4. Okay, 4 is an even number. I'll try to get answer true. That's what I have received out true. We don't need to write some extra stuff like if x percentage is 2 would be equal to 0. So just give us so and so statement, right, that this is a print, I mean this is an even number, else this is not an even number. This is how we can just get directly the proper answer by the help of lambda function, and that is 2 in the easier manner. Okay, so in case if I am just going to give here not even number, let's just try to get the response now, which is false, because 5 we know that it's not an even number. So yeah, thank you.